Look what came in the mail! It's a early gender DNA test, so I'm gonna use it to figure out if we're having a boy or a girl. I'm so excited! Just trying to open it like with one hand is a little bit challenging. It feels really nice. It's like the expensive paper, you know, that you get on business cards. It's really soft. Well, this is exciting. That's very true. It is so exciting. Okay. So it says registration required. Make sure I do that. Instructions. No men allowed. I'm supposed to drink 8 ounces of water before doing this test, so here we go. Refreshing. Okay, the next step is to wash my hands thoroughly and air dry them. And then I'm going to empty the test pouch contents. Also, this video is not sponsored. I'm not a big enough YouTube channel to be sponsored by something like this. My review and all this stuff, it's just, you know, it's just me. It's just me talking. It says it's over 99% accurate. Hopefully that's true, but we probably won't know for a long time if it isn't, so I'll keep you updated. I'm gonna put all the contents of everything on this towel, which my husband has not touched. He did not mess with the laundry at all this week, so it should be fairly free of male DNA. Also, that's, you know, that's the the chair that he puts his clothes on when he comes home from work. So I tidied it the other day, but it just doesn't stay clean, you know. We've changed aspect ratios because that's the easiest way for me to set everything up. I'm gonna go wash my hands real quick. Okay. The test says to let everything air dry, which, man, I washed my arm too, but I'm worried about my sleeve touching. Nice and awkward. Okay, I don't want to cross-contaminate. I did touch the instructions while I had unclean hands, so I'm going to rotate it with my elbow here so I can read it. Yeah, there's more. I don't understand. Take off the lid. That's pretty good in there. I've already washed my arm. It says rub the collection area for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 30. Clean the area with an alcohol wipe. So this part here, remove the clear cap. Then peel the white tab from the back of the device. Stick device firmly to collection site on upper arm with sample tube pointing down towards the floor. Keep your arm to the side and steady. Then press the button all the way down till you hear a click. Okay, I have to stand for this. I'm in my PJs today. Whew, I felt that. Okay, so that was like the scariest part. So it says that this part will take 5 to 10 minutes. Which honestly, it's filling up fast enough, it might go faster. I've always been told when I get my blood drawn and stuff that I have really good veins, so I might have to go look in a mirror, but it's already up, I think, to the 200 line. And it only needs to get up to the 500 line within 10 minutes. If it takes more than 10 minutes to get up to the 500 line, they just want you to, like, quit the test entirely. So I'm gonna go wash my hands again, because I am gonna need to take this off here in a minute. It's filling up nice and quickly. So I'm gonna go wash my hands. In the time it took me to wash my hands, it has filled up to the 500 line, so we're just gonna have to peel it off. I feel so nervous about this. Okay. I feel like this part's gonna hurt. I'm so worried about it. Okay. Okay, it's not gushing blood. I was worried. I really was worried it was gonna, like, gush blood. That's just a little bit. Okay. That's like a little owie, you know, just a small little ouchie. It says, remove the sample from the device with a, oh, little twist. snap the cap back onto the tube, and dispose of the used device. So we got, and this goes in the trash, obviously because it's gross. Then you're supposed to invert the tube 10 times, which just, I think, means flip it. 1, 2, there's this part. Now it is Saturday today, and I don't think FedEx, which is the carrier that they use, is open until Monday, so I won't be able to ship this out for a couple days. I hope that that's okay. I hope that's gonna be fine. So it says, place it in the plastic biohazard bag, which is this. And then put the bag and a completed consent form inside the empty kit box. Okay. This has been how PEEKABOO works. Honestly, very easy. It's taken me like less than 15 minutes of my time. So I have good feelings so far. And it seems pretty thorough with regards to like the cleansing and everything. So I think it will be accurate. So after doing a quick Google search, I guess I can take this to Walgreens, and it's almost 8 o'clock tonight already, so I think I'll go ahead and do that. I guess it only closes at 11 p.m., so good for me. Ready to go! I realized after sending it in that I had forgot to register my kit, and you know, I went onto the website. I had taken a picture of the QR code, thankfully, and they need some numbers off of the sample bottle. Fortunately, I have filmed this entire thing, so of course I have the numbers from the collection bottle. Okay, so we're registering it right now. It's all working out, but I almost really messed that up. And they told me to register it, like, no joke, 5 times. But I was so excited. I was into such a flurry, you know, and I think probably that's why they tell you to do it 5 times, because they know you're excited. They know you're in a flurry. They know you're pregnant. It's a lot of things going through your mind and a lot of excitement, and you just, like, you're in a hurry to find out. On another note, while I was driving, I was thinking, man, this is just like the perfect solution for today's generation, because we are so impatient. Like, we just want to know. We want to know right now, like, what gender are we having? Like, pretty much as soon as we find out, right? Because I only found out 2 weeks ago. And now I'm like, okay, I'm going to know the gender of my baby. But I looked it up. It should be stable for 14 days. So we're good. The sample's going to be good. But I think it takes like 2 or 3 days to get it back after the sample gets to the lab, and it's 2-day shipping, so we might not know for like a week. Drum roll, please. It's a girl! Yay! So, it's 5 weeks and a couple days after that previous video. I basically did the test too early because I thought baby was like 3 weeks older than baby was. We got an ultrasound, realized we did the test too early. We're gonna do this whole process over again. So I forget if I said it or not, forgive the mess. I have COVID and I have not been cleaning, and these are beds. It's bed stuff, you know. We're gonna have a king-size bed, which I'm super excited about. Oh, there we go. Felt it that time. That was a good click. Ooh, ooh, that stings. It really didn't sting last time I did it. Yeah, should be good. So really trying not to contaminate it with any boy DNA, because that would be a shame. I was lamenting about how great it was, because these tests are about half the price they were when I had my daughter. And I think it's just so funny because I am having to do it twice. So I am paying the same amount of money I would have paid if I had done it with my daughter. But test results came in, and it's a girl! I feel like
I'm here emotionally. This doesn't like echo delivery.